Ooh, hot in here. Okay, get that out of the way. Today's goal is to replace the switch, which is causing my brake lights to stay on. I don't know if you can see it. It's up there somewhere over there. Maybe that's it. I think that's it. Yeah, that's it. So, my goal today is to replace that. And it would have been a good video, except I already did it. Pretty much what you do is you give that a little, I think it's in there. I think it's in there like that. You get a little cock to the left. This thing falls right out. Poke here while pulling the cable out, and out it goes. Do it all by braille. There's no way in hell you can barely see in there. So that's the old one. So how about, to hell with this, let's go cook some steak. Alright, now, first thing we're going to have, obviously, steak. Filet mignon. Grass-fed, blah blah blah. Get out of the package. Doesn't that look good?